So this thing is a matrix, and there's a few things I want you to know about it. It has rows, it has columns, and that'll become important later as we go through things. But right now, let's just keep this as simple as we can. If this whole thing is called matrix B, and someone wants to find -5 times B, you basically just multiply everything in here times -5. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to do it, and that's it. I mean, that's all there is to it. Every single element from up here got multiplied by -5, and this would be your answer. Here we have a linear combination of two different matrices. We're going to multiply the A by the 5 and the B by the 4, and then we're going to combine the two matrices together with a subtraction. I'm going to say the first thing I would actually do for a problem like this is think of this subtraction as plus a negative, and the next thing I would do is figure out what 5a is, change this to plus a negative, and then figure out what -4b is. So pause the video and make sure you can mentally do that. And when you press play, it'll just be popped up right in front of your face, and you'll see if we agree. Pause the video right now. Now that we've correctly found that what 5a is and what -4b is, we're going to combine these things. And the way you combine two matrices when you're doing addition or subtraction is to take elements from corresponding parts. For example, this upper left-hand corner, these guys will be combined, and they're going to be in the upper left-hand corner. So I'll do 5 plus 12 is 17. Upper right-hand corner, I'm going to combine those elements, the 5 and the 0. They combine to make 5. Lower left-hand corner, combine those to make -42. And then finally, lower right-hand corner, hand corner, combine to make -31. And it's always easier, I'll just say this again, anytime you have subtraction, always change that to plus a negative, and then make sure you multiply the negative, because it's much easier at this phase when you're combining if you're just thinking about putting numbers together and not worried about doing like a 5 minus a -12 or a -30 minus a +12. Always change it to plus a negative, and then just like we did here. And then put people in the corresponding parts. These will go together. These go together. These go together. And then these go together. And then they go in the same place in the answer matrix. Multiplication of two matrices, when I multiply matrix by matrix, way different. Totally different and kind of weird. So definitely watch that video. If this seems easy and you're like, oh, I can multiply them, it's much more confusing than this. So good luck.